How can you use an IRA to buy a home? So check this out. Did you know that you can take a withdrawal from your IRA, and as long as you replace those funds within a 60-day period in a 12-month calendar period of time, that's not taxed. So when you have a 401k, you can take a loan out of your 401k or you can take a distribution. A loan against a 401k is not a taxable event because it's a loan. The IRS does not consider a loan as income. So you can take a loan against the 401k and you can use that for the funds associated with the down payment. You can also take a distribution out of the 401k, but potentially you're going to have some taxes because the 401k is a pre-tax vehicle, meaning you have not paid any income tax on those funds you put in. So if you take those funds out, you potentially have taxes. Also, if you're not of retirement age, you might have an early withdrawal fee. Now, in an IRA, you can actually take money out of an IRA, and as long as you put it back within 60 days, there's no taxes. Consult your CPA and your financial advisor. But pulling money out of an IRA, as long as you can get it back within 60 days, might be a great way to access some funds for down payment. Have a blessed day, y'all. Keith Collins, Moving Mortgage. Take care.